Happy Monday, everyone, and welcome to another episode of Cooking with Tovia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make this super easy macaroni and cheese casserole that is loaded with cheese, bacon, and broccoli. It doesn't get better than that. You can find all the ingredients you need for today's recipe in the description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe to Cooking with Tovia for new uploads on Mondays and Thursdays at midnight Eastern Standard Time. So what I'm going to do is put my room temperature salted butter in the bottom of my 9x13 casserole dish here. I'm going to pour my cooked elbow noodles over it, and this is hot. I just drained them. I cooked them until they're al dente. See, I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to make this dump mac and cheese casserole. So mix the room temp butter in with the hot noodles. Then I have some onions I sauteed. There was 2 onions. I just cooked them until they became translucent and sort of tender, but still crisp. But I didn't want to just throw raw onions in here. Plus the cooked onions give it a bit of flavor. I got here a pound of cooked bacon. I'm going to throw over 2 cups of cheese. And this is cheese that I've already got shredded. Usually I don't do pre-shredded cheese, but I just wanted the recipe to be easy today. And I'm using 4-state cheddar cheese. Sorry, cheddar. I'm gonna just give all this a mix together, just to make sure everything is thoroughly combined. I'm gonna add a couple more stuff to this. But before I do, I'm gonna add my broccoli, and I'm using organic broccoli florets. After adding that, just toss everything together. Now I'm going to pour over buttermilk. After the buttermilk, we're going to add the sour cream, add some black pepper, another 1.5 cups of cheese, same type. I have here some oregano, dried oregano. You can leave this out if you want. And then an egg. Okay, we're going to thoroughly combine everything together. I'm just mixing everything. Make sure everything is thoroughly combined. Mix everything very well. I'm going to sprinkle just a thin layer of black pepper across the top. Then I'm going to sprinkle some more cheese on top of that. I'm just using a mixture of that 4-state cheddar. I'll do a thin layer of the extra sharp cheddar. Breadcrumbs. Sprinkle across the top. Just give it a nice thick layer. It's going to make it crunchy and bubbly. And then another layer of cheese, thin layer, and final layer of breadcrumbs. Piece of aluminum foil. I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray. This stops the cheese and breadcrumbs from sticking to it. Into the oven it goes for 40 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And then we're going to uncover and cook it for about another 10 to 15 minutes. So here is our casserole. You can see all those nice bits of bacon and onions and broccoli. It's cheesy. It's very cheesy. I'll let it cool off a little bit so I had to take pictures. But here it is. Cheese, onions, bacon, broccoli. Let's give it a taste. This is absolutely delicious. I've served this with a side salad. It's perfect. Served with a spinach salad like I did. If you enjoyed today's recipe, please add it to your playlist. Please share my video and support my channel. Also, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and check out my previous content. Please give me a thumbs up. And please leave a comment. And if you have a recipe request, please leave that in the description. Please leave that in the comments section, And also, don't forget to stop by my YouTube page and go to the community tab and vote on recipes and things like that. Thank you all so much for watching. I really appreciate every last one of you. And I want to send good, positive energy out to those of you who are in Hawaii because of Hurricane Lane. Sending you guys positive energy and prayers. Please live and be well. Let's come together and love each other.